Hello everybody. Yeah, here I'm back. The last 6 months I stopped at my work. I was very sick over the attacking with radiation against me, and now goes me better. I was in another country, in my motherland Poland, and I go in healing, and yeah, now I'm back, feel me better, and like to show some work from last year. Yeah, this is a huge Powerwand I made last year with many techniques inside. It's a copper pipe coil inside, and we have a water cycle. It's grounded, and on top we have the Tesla Starcoil, and inside I built a second coil where I can power it up with this induction device. Yes. Today is beautiful weather. We can see the field, stop it, and yeah, happy day for all.